Ishomar. Welcome to Kids Kitchen, powered by Grace Tomato Ketchup. On today's menu, we'll be making Cheesy Macaroni Salad with Grace Tomato Ketchup. Delicious! My assistant will be Chef Bryan.
Hi, Chef Ishomar.
Hi.
What are we making today?
We're making Cheesy Macaroni Salad. And the ingredients are Grace pasta, butter, Grace Mayonnaise, Grace mixed vegetable, Tastee cheese, and most importantly, Grace Tomato Ketchup.
Okay, so it's time to cook.
I guess, let's go.
Alright.
Guys, remember to wash your hands at all times. Guys, always have an adult when you're using the stove. Chef Bryan, could you help me with this, please?
Sure, Chef Aisha. So, Chef,
Yes?
the macaroni has been boiled, right? So let's start the sauce.
Awesome sauce.
Alright, let's go. Chef, my pasta is ready. How's your sauce doing?
Really good, actually.
Do you want to taste it?
Yeah. Yum.
So now it's time to add the vegetables. Do you like vegetables?
Oh yeah, Grace mixed vegetables, they're the best. Hey Chef Bryan, should we taste it?
Of course.